Guys, welcome to this video. In our last video we talked about how to let the player 1 and player 2 to select, and we forgot to print out to see whether if this and actually will run it, and then make sure that it's going to completely run when it's S or O. So let's complete that. Let's say we print out player 1. Okay, so that's writing this for that player 1 and for that player 2 right here. So let's run it. You can see player 1 select, I entered X. So you can see X and 0, which X stand for player 1 and 0 stand for player 2, like we did right here. So we also want to make it a little bit entertaining, so both of them will know which one belongs to which. I can see I can make an L string. Let me delete this. I talked about S string formatting. So and this /n is for to break the line. I can say player 1. What am I doing? I can say player 1. I can say which is that of player 1. And player 2, let's say PL2. Okay, where did I make mistake? Right here. Okay, sorry, this is not supposed to be. Instead, let me move it out. Put it somewhere here. Okay, this player 2 is going to go over here. So you're going to be player 1, you are that of player 1, and player 2, you are that of player 2. Let's run it. Let's have selected X, and then you can see player 1, you are what did I do wrong here? Yeah, so there was nothing wrong with our script, just my IDs tend to be funny a little bit about times. So when I run this now, you can see I prompting to enter between X or O as if that of player 1. I enter, you can see right here player 1 you are X, and then player 2 you are O. So this is just basically what I want us to do in this video, because we forgot to do that in our last video. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.